Hostinger AI has a lot of new features. With the help of those features, you can even speed up your website with one click, and you also able to create articles and a lot more features we have here. Hi, welcome to Pre-Tech Ideas. So in this video, we will talk about Hostinger AI feature, and I will live show you how you can use those features and optimize your website. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get start this video. So before we go into video, make sure if you want to access Hostinger AI features. So let me bring you on Hostinger website. So in the Hostinger, there are multiple hosting plans available, but I will recommend you one of the hosting plan which include AI powerful features. So if we click here on the services and let's click on web hosting and click on here, scroll down, and we have a different types of plans here. If you want to run for your single website, you can choose basic from the single plan, premium and business. So if we look at a business plan, we have some of features here: AI agent for WordPress, build an e-commerce site with AI, and a lot more AI features. If we click on view all feature, you will able to see all the features, AI features. So let's click on Hostinger website builder. So in the Hostinger AI builder, this is also another tool in the hosting. It will provide you will able to create a website using AI and drag and drop editor, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, AI SEO tool, a lot of more features they have here. So I will recommend you have to go with minimum the business plan to get the Hostinger AI features. So if you're looking for hosting discount, you can check link in description, as I already have a business hosting plan. So if I go to one of my website, this is our Edge panel where we have all our websites. So this is the list of my website. Let's click on dashboard, any of these websites. When we click on dashboard and in the tips and improve, it will tell you what type of things you need to improve for your website. So if I look here, downside, speed up your website with light speed cache. Let's click on WordPress overview. In the WordPress overview, there is some options which with the help of those options like light speed cache is recommended, and you can enable these things. But if we click here upper side, AI troubleshooter. So what is AI troubleshooter? AI troubleshooter not only help your website to solve any errors, even you have your website has any 403 error, 501, any type of error code. AI troubleshooter will help you to solve your website issue, and with a one click you can fix those issues. Mostly when we click on our website dashboard overview, and when your website has any issue and you are using Hostinger, you will always see the issue here. If your website has any error, you will see the error here, and you will also see option to fix with AI. So this is the AI troubleshooter. In the AI troubleshooter, you not only solve the issue for your website, you also can improve your website speed using AI, which I love this feature. So first we have to click on run speed test. It will analyze your website speed, how your website working, if there is need any improvement. With the help of AI, we can immediately speed up our website. So we have to wait till we get our website results, how our website working. If your website score will be lower, and it will also give you option to improve your website immediately. If your website has higher score, it will not give you that option to improve. As you can see here, based on the results, we recommend optimize for your website performance. As you can see, it will recommend you the plugin and database to optimize it, and you can click here optimize performance. So as you can see, Lightspeed Cache plugin is not active. So make sure when you click on overview, there is an option light speed cache. You have to enable this feature. So let me enable light speed cache, and we will go back to AI troubleshooter again to analyze the speed, and we will optimize our website. So let's click on AI troubleshooter. Now we will analyze our website here. We have our analyze results earlier. So now you can see this option optimize performance. Let's click on it. Now it will do some settings, or it will fix some database optimization in order to optimize your overall website performance or speed. So we have to stay here. Now the AI system will crawl your website and check your database and check your images and check your any JavaScript or CSS file which need improvement, and the setting will be applied to those in order to speed up your website. So the AI troubleshooter will helpful for your website if you are experience low website speed or your website not working very well. So you have to try AI troubleshooter for this purpose. And after it complete the process, it will also give you overview how your website is working and how much you improve the scores. So we will stay here. It's almost done. After it done the process, you can close this page. The optimize process will keep running. You can skip this. You can switch to another tabs or anywhere until it will optimize your website. And now it's a testing post optimization. If how it working, it will analyze different parts of your website or different types of content where need improvement. Then based on the results, it will auto apply the settings comes from slide speed cache plugin. So this is for the beginners. If you wanna speed up your website and you don't know what settings are the best, if you wanna use light speed cache or any other speed up plugins, so AI will analyze your website and do settings for you. You don't need to do anything to optimize your website. So we have we almost complete the process. So as you can see now, our website speed has been improved by 26% on the mobile and 14% on the desktop. So now let me show you another feature of Hostinger AI. So first we will click on overview option, or you can, when you click on, let me show you from the beginning. So these are our website in the Hostinger. So first you have to decide which website you wanna work on. So for example, let me pick any domain here, smart web tips. Here we have to click dashboard option. Under the dashboard option, we will click WordPress overview. In the WordPress overview, scroll down, it will recommend you some of the installation. And here we have one plugin, Hostinger AI. Just click install. Now it will install this Hostinger AI plugin on our website backend, on our WordPress website. So Hostinger AI plugin successfully installed successfully. Now let's visit our website by clicking WordPress admin, and where I will show you how you can use this another AI feature to create optimized content for your website. If you want to create content for your blog post or pages, you can definitely create. Even you can also create, if you have an e-commerce website, you can create a product descriptions, a lot more options. So first we once we visit our WordPress, you will see option, first option, Hostinger. So let's click on AI content creator. So this is the option you will get after you install from here. And then select here what you want to do today or what you want to make. Select a post. I want to create post. And tone of voice. Under the tone of voice, I always use natural, formal, or friendly. You can choose any tone, or you can choose also multiple tones. And content length. If you are going to create a blog post, I always choose medium or long content. If you choose long content, it will create a complete blog post around more than 2000 words up to 3000 words. Depends on your title. So next we have here, what is your content about? So let me give any prompt here, or any content main idea. You wanna create a blog post on which title? So let me give this as any title: how to use WordPress website. Okay, and then it will ask you what are your focus keyword. It's optional. If you know your focus keyword, you can put here. Otherwise, the content will automatic put here focus keyword for you, and it will optimize your blog post. Let's click on create content. Now it will generate content for your website. We have to stay here till we complete this generating content process. So we have successfully got our AI written blog post. Now it will here, you can see here the options. First option, these keyword can help rank your article. So it also suggests you the keyword you should use for your website content or your this particular blog post. And then meta description, it also give you meta description you should use in order to keep optimize your blog post. Next, external image, or insert this image into inside the content. External feature image, it will set this particular image for the feature image. And then we have finally the content written here. Now we have to do, as you can see here, 2500 word. And now we can directly publish from here, or you can add it as draft. If you want to make any changes to your blog post, or you want to add your focus keywords or keywords here. So these keywords can help your article and website ranking higher in search engine. You can put up to 5 keywords. Okay. So now after you done, you can click edit as draft and put your focus keyword there. But when you click on edit as draft, it automatic put some of the keywords here. Let me show you as tags. As you can see here, I have installed Yoast SEO, and you can see here SEO analyze is good, readability also very good. So our content is optimized. That means, so if we scroll down, it automatically add that it give you SEO title, slug, and even data meta description for you. You don't need to do anything for here, but if you want to make changes, you can definitely make changes into your website. So after you choose here, we have to choose our category and publish the blog post. Now we will review our blog post. Let's click on view post. As you can see, this is the optimized complete blog post here. So these are the AI features you can use using Hostinger. And the Hostinger, in the plugin section, recommendation plugins, there are some more choices. Because you already have a Hostinger business plan, you can try out their Hostinger Reach plugin. With the help of this plugin, you can create marketing forms for your website, email campaigns for your website. Also easy onboarding, and there is a Hostinger easy onboarding. If I click show less or show more, it will suggest you some of the other plugin that those are optional. But if you want to try out the Hostinger plugins here, you can try out these. So if I go to my website backend, the same option Hostinger in the first option, Hostinger, and there is a one more option, Tools. Let's click on Tools. In the tools, you also can enable LLM optimization. So you are going to allow your website, so host AI like ChatGPT, other AI models will crawl your website and read your website content. So you can Hostinger, with the Hostinger you can easily enable LLM file from here. AI tools allow Code to manage your site. This allow Code to perform action like create pages, updating setting, and you can try out these option AI tools here. Maintenance, you can directly enable maintenance mode here. Security, it will also give you security option. Redirect, force HTTPS, a lot of options here. And the number 3 AI feature of Hostinger, we have AI website builder. So if we click on add site, and we have option here, Hostinger website builder. We also have a complete tutorial on Hostinger AI website builder. With the help of Hostinger AI builder, you can build your website completely with AI without use or without customize any codes. Click add website, Hostinger website builder, and after that it will ask you to enter some details about your website you want to create, on which type of website or services website. After click on Hostinger website builder, it will ask you, let AI create a website for you. You have to enter your website name or brand name here and provide description up to 700 words here and explain about your business, and you will able to create your website completely using AI. You also can use pre-made template, link in bio website. So this is for link to bio templates. You can try out if you want to choose manually, or you can ask AI to create such kind of websites. So you must try out Hostinger AI features. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. I really appreciate for watching this video, and next video I will bring on another topic for Hostinger. So thank you so much. I really appreciate.